Have you ever wanted to do karaoke for a song, but you can't find a karaoke version even after searching for hours online?
In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own karaoke tracks out of literally any song that you want.
Plus, I'll cover a few other fun things, like making a Chipmunks version of a song, or creating a slowed plus reverb version that's really popular right now. First, click Get Started Free. Then go to AI Tools and find Audio. Next, look for the vocal remover. Then click and upload your song. You can choose between separating the drums or separating the vocals from the music. If you want to do both, we'll look at how to do that later in the video. Click Separate. Now we can listen to the background music and the vocals separately.
Oh, when I look to the shape of my heart.
These pitch changers let us slide to change the pitch of the music quickly. Here we can download our background music and vocals. But if you want to edit more, let's click Edit More, and then Vocals. Now click your clip on the timeline. On the right side of the screen, you can adjust the volume. Next, let's click on Changer. Now I'll pick a funny voice, like Chipmunk. And after a second, it's applied to my clip. If we take the music we separated earlier and put that with the Chipmunk audio on the timeline, we get this hilarious version of the song. You can also try out snail speed to get this sort of sound. Finally, if you click Remover, you can also separate the drums from the track here as well.
And there you have it. You can now make your own karaoke to impress your friends with. Let me know what you think in the comments and what your favorite part was. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for another media.io tutorial.
While you're waiting for my next tutorial to come out, you should check out the other AI tools on this website. There is so much to see. There's also a bunch of templates on here, and they kind of remind me of Canva, but for video. It's really, really, really cool. So go check out everything that media.io has to offer, and I'll see you next time.